Financial advisors often advise to save at least 5 to 10% of your net worth in gold and silver. Hi, my name is George Escola, and in this video I'm going to talk about a systematic way to save gold and silver and even get paid for it. I'll talk about getting paid for it later, but right now, you know the value of gold and silver. It's retained its value over centuries against all currencies. The problem with currencies is they keep printing more and more and more, and the currencies become worth less and less and less. And that's why you need to save real money, which is gold and silver. So there's a company that I recently joined called 7K Metals that has a monthly savings plan where they will send you a fresh from the mint coin in silver or gold every month, like clockwork. And this is the way that you can do systematic savings, and the value builds up over time. You're protecting yourself against currency devaluation and any other problem that might come along the way. And with this program, you can get gold and silver coins. Some of them are graded and some of them are not, but they're all fresh from the mint. So, and they have some collector value, which can accumulate over time. And so I'm going to leave a link below. You can check out the company, see the beautiful coins, and look at their programs for monthly savings. You can also get paid in this program because they have a binary compensation plan. And binary just means that you have one person on the right and one person on the left, and you can build your legs up. When you have one person on the right and one person on the left, you're ranked up to the rank of associate, and at the associate level, you're eligible to earn up to $500 a week. And as you can see, if you get to that level, you can pay for your monthly purchases, and so you can actually get paid to save gold and silver. So I'll leave a link below. Take a look at it, see how the coin savings programs work, and how the compensation program works. So click on the link, take a look. I will see you in a future video. Thanks for watching. Bye now.